Hi, my name's Jodie from Tonic Studios, and you know I love my mousse. This is the brand new chalk mousse. Yeah, chalk mousse. It's not shiny, it's not got mica in it, it's a flat colour, it gives you that chalk base finish. It's lovely. It gives you that sort of French chic feel, you know, that, I mean, look at this. It's beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. Such a soft, subtle, chalky finish. It is beautiful. You know, whether you are using it maybe on a little tag, absolutely beautiful. Jen, I love that. Absolutely gorgeous. Maybe you're putting it on different coloured cardstock to bring all that detail out. Now, as I'm running through all these samples, look at the stencils. Those stencils are beautiful. We've got little cheeky love hearts in there. We have got, you know, that's splattered on. You won't really be able to see that much because it's very, very pale. But, you know, bringing in your shimmer powders into them as well. But we've got the hearts. We've got the rainbows in there. So how would you like to have a play with brand new chalk paste, brand new stencils, all from Tonic Studios, now available on our website.